Ay, ito hindi pwede mga ma'am siya. Sorry na talaga. Okay, hanggang 200. Sige, pwede ito. Medium large po ako ito. Okay, medium to large po ako. Kahit XL pa nga nalaban. Ito may kasamang Puma. Para siyang brand new mga moms. This is 720. Okay, 720. 200 na lang. Sige, 720. 200 pesos for that.
730 pa nga po kay Ma'am Glenna Flor.
Ma'am Glenna Flor, good evening. Yours na Ma'am Glenna Flor. Thank you so much po. Barbie doll dress. Okay, extra small to medium size. This is 721. Okay, 721.
732 pa nga po kay Ma'am Jillian.
Ma'am Jillian, congratulations. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jillian. Pangatlo. Okay, Ma'am Jillian, yours na po. May pakitanggal. Ito pa, oh. Chacha, be, ang ganda, ma'am. O, pak. Lagyan mo ng inner, pwede mo ipanglabas. Huwag mo lagyan ng inner, pwede mo ipang swimming. Ang ganda, ma'am, promise. Pang large to XL po ako, ha. This is 722, okay, 722.
720 pa nga po kay Ma'am Gloria Veron.
Ma'am Gloria, yours na Ma'am Gloria. Thank you so much po. Okay, this is for small, medium po ako dito. Okay, small, this is 723. Okay, 723.
721 pa nga po kay Ma'am Tia and
Ma'am Nia, thank you so much po. Okay, haltered to, ma'am siya. Tignan niyo yung likod. Pang plus sizes na haltered to, ma'am. Okay? This is for XL to double XL. Okay, XL to double XL, 718. Okay, 718. Okay, powder blue na Barbie doll dress. Panghatid na dito niyo sa mga anak-anak niyo. Ganda ng tela. Small to medium, 317. Okay, 317. Ito mga ma'am, hanggang 250 lang ako ha. Branded by 9 West. Nakakaloka. Ang ganda ng tela, ma'am siya. Barbie doll dress, 9 West, mga ma'am siya. Okay, medium, large to XL ako dito. Ganda pa ng kulay. 716. Okay, 716. 9 West yun ha. 250 pesos for that.
722 pa nga ba kay Ma'am Cell Flor?
2, 4, 5. Ma'am Sel, yours na Ma'am Sel. Thank you so much po. 712.
718 po.
Ma'am Cheryl, yours na Ma'am Cheryl. Thank you so much po. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, look at this. My God, ang tinan niyo yung fabric niya. May mga ano siya, yung tinan niyo yung ano, yung design. Okay, this is for small, medium to large po ako. This is 714, okay, 714.
716 pa nga naman ka ng Gloria Veron.
Ma'am Gloria, ang ganda ni 716. Yours na Ma'am Gloria. Thank you so much. And that's from 9 West, mga moms. Okay, Old Navy to ha. Old Navy, okay? Pang extra small to small or pang mga 8 to 10 na mga bagets. This is 713, okay? 713. As well as this one, mga ma'am, show, look at this. This is off-white and this is the back detail. Diyos ko, ang ganda. Pwede mo pang office, pwede mo pang date, mga ma'am. Okay, pang small, medium to large po ako. 711, okay, 711.
714 pa nga po kay Ma'am Gloria Veron.
Thank you, Ma'am Gloria. O, arte ka pa dyan. Ang ganda niyan, ma'am. Show. This is for small, medium, hanggang large po ako. And this is how you wear it, mga ma'am. This is 709, okay, 709.
713 pa nga po kay Ma'am Tepi Ted.
Thank you, Ma'am Tepi. Yours na, Ma'am Tepi. Thank you so much po. As well as this, managay pang small to medium ulit ako dito. Grabe, white na white yan, Ma'am. Show. As a sweet girl kayo dito. This is 706, okay? 706.
711 pa nga po kay Ma'am Tepi Ted.
Ma'am Tepi, yours na, Ma'am Tepi. Thank you so much po. O, yung mga atin na mga wedding, kineme dyan, bahala na kayo kung saan kayo pupunta. Okay, extra small to small, mga ma'am. Siyang ganda nito. Very, very elegant and very, very social. Branded by Jessica McClintock. Ay, grabe. Mahal tong ano nito, brand na to. This is 710, okay? 710. And then also for this one, mga ma'am, okay, this is for small, medium to, nilalagyan ng inner ito ha, small, medium to large sizes. This is 704, okay, 704. As well as this one, this is cotton linen, mga ma'am, okay, this is for large to XL po, okay, large to XL, 702, okay, 702. And then for this one, mga ma'am, okay, this is for medium, large to XL, this is 741, okay, 741. As well as this one, mga ma'am, this is a Barbie doll dress, ha. Small, medium to large po ako, ha. Pa-swing dress pa to. This is 744, okay, 744. This is light gray, light gray, 744.
709 pa po kay Ma'am Maria Teresa Garcia.
67. Hi, Ma'am Maria Teresa. 709 yours na Ma'am Maria Teresa. Thank you so much po.
702 pa nga po kay Ma'am Angelica Go.
Thank you, Ma'am Angelica. Good evening po. Sumasabit sa aking panther. Okay, for this one, ito nyo ang ganda, maxi dress. And this is for large to XL po. Okay, large to XL. This one is 739. Okay, 739. As well as this one, mga ma'am, show. Look at this. My God, ang ganda maxi dress yan, ha. Medium, large to XL po ako. This is 737. Okay, 737. 150 lang lahat yan, mga ma'am.
744 pa nga po kay Ma'am Bless.
Ma'am Blessy, yours na Ma'am Blessy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Blessy. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, okay, medium, large to XL na lang. Okay, this is 734. Okay, 734. Okay, Old Navy na Barbie doll dress to ha. This is for large to XL po ako. The code is 745. Okay, 745. Bagong labayan, ma'am.
7 39 po. Pangapat kay Ma'am Jean Tablan.
Ma'am Jean, thank you so much po. Ito pong mga 8 to 10 na mga bagats to ha. This is 746. Okay, 746. 100 pesos na lang. 746, 100 pesos for that.
737 pangapat kay Ma'am Myra ba po?
Thank you, Ma'am Myra. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, ito ha. Naku, nakakalo. Jumpsuit, mga ma'am, jumpsuit to ha. Okay, chubebang na jumpsuit, okay? Extra small to small lang ako, ha? Wide leg to ha. Pang maliit na babae, extra small to small. 747, okay? 747. Basta jumpsuit to, mga ma'am. This is a jumpsuit.
745 po pangatlo kay Ma'am Angie.
Ma'am Kanji, thank you so much po. Okay, Ann Taylor by Lofta. Dali, ang ganda niyan, ma'am, show. Okay, pang medium, large to XL po ako. This is 725. Okay, 725.
734 pangapat kay Ma'am Cecilia Doc.
Thank you, Ma'am Cecilia.
746 pangatlo kay Ma'am Masupit.
Ma'am Dang, congratulations. Thank you so much. Ba't ba congratulations? Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, dali, Barbie Dahlia na cotton linen. Grabe, ang ganda. Okay, medium, large to XL. This is 726. Okay, 726. As well as this one, mga ma'am, okay, this is for medium, large to XL po ako. This is 724, okay, 724. Diba? Ang gaganda. Mga ma'am, Zara Uniqlo to ha, ang ganda ng tela, ma'am. Pang large to XL po ako, black na black, 700, okay, 700.
725 pangapat kay Ma'am Sally Bercel.
Thank you, Ma'am Sally. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, kaya tinan nyo naman to, ma'am, O, pa Venus Katina, ang lakas makamayaman, mga ma'am, okay, medium, large to XL, branded by Gap to ha, Gap, Diyos ko, 697, okay, 697.
747 pang lima kay Ma'am Christina Bicana.
24. Ma'am Christina, yours na, Ma'am Christina, thank you so much po. Ma'am Christy, yours na po. Okay, pang small to medium po ako, okay, small to medium to, planchahin mo na lang, ma'am, siya, this is 698, okay, this one is 698.
726 pang lima kay Ma'am Ine Edward.
Thank you, Ma'am Ine. Finally, Ma'am Ine. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am siya. Dali, Ganda niyan, ma'am siya, pang Sunday dress, family day dress. Okay, medium, large po ako, ha. Okay? This is 6, mukha lang yung malaki, pero this one is non-stretch. Okay, 697, okay, 697, para siyang Zara Uniqlo. Mga ma'am siya, ang ganda nito. Ano siya? Cotton linen.
700 pangapat kay Ma'am Tisha Flores.
Okay, baby call. 700, yours na, bebe. Thank you so much, be. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am, sige, smocking type to adjustable dust shop. This is for medium, large to XL. This is 695, okay, 695. Ay, ang ganda rin ito, mga ma'am, Ito hindi pwede, ha. Planchahin mo na lang, ma'am, siya. O, sige, ito 200 ko na lang. Okay, medium, large to XL ako dito. Okay, medium, large to XL. This is 693, okay, 693, 200 pesos for that.
667 pang lima kay Ma'am Nia Henry.
2, 4, 5. Ma'am Nia, yours na, Ma'am Nia. Thank you so much po. Okay, for this one, mga ma'am siya, large XL up to double XL. This is 692, okay, 692. Barbie doll dress, extra small to small. This is 691, okay, 691.
697
Ang ilan?
pang lima
Okay, kanina to.
kay Ma'am Malu.
Ma'am Malu, thank you so much po. Okay, as well as this one, this is how you wear it. Okay, extra small to small, ha? Pwede sa mga, sa mga teenagers nyo. Okay, this is 690, okay, 690.
695 pang lima.